Hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning, my dear friends, and one and all present over here. When something is important enough, you do it, even if the odds are not in your favor. Well said by Elon Musk. So, with this thought, I, Kajal Rana, President of Book Club, welcome you all in this event on behalf of Sathi the Book Club, Department of Public Policy and Governance, BK School of Professional and Management Studies, Gujarat University. So, friends, as we all are know that we have sometimes very hectic schedule, and with we always stuck with the assignments, SIP projects, and the all. So here, Sathi the book club come with some solution to reduce your stress at some level. So we come with the event pre-exam battle, which will also help you to prepare for your final exam. So let's get started with the event. Over to you, Sana. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sana Sayed from Business Economic and Public Finance. First of all, thank you so much guys for participating in our event. So we will start from the group 1. So let's take attendance first, then I will check how much attention you have. Okay, so Samarpan, over to you. Group 1, please give your attendance on chat box.
Hello all, how are you? So first let me introduce some basic rules of this quiz. So the quiz will consist of two rounds. First round is divided into three groups, from which three participants from each group will advance to final stage. The results of first round will be declared after all the groups quiz is over. It is mandatory to turn on your cameras while answering. The first person to raise hand will be given chance to answer the question. The question will not be passed on to the second person in the first round. Only the participants of particular group are allowed to raise hand and give answer. If any participant gives the answer before raising his or her hand or before his or her name is called out, then that participant will be given a warning. If he or she performs the same mistake again, then the person will be disqualified. 1 point will be given for each correct answer. There is no negative marking in this quiz. Now let's get started. I'm going to call out the name of participants from group 1. If you are present, then please write a Y or yes in the chat box. So the group 1 is first Mansi Baraya, Shreya Manyar, Aarti, Aarti Mundadia, Jinkal Patel, Khushi Zota, Anjali Singhi, Anjali Singhi, are you present? Okay. Mayur Kumar, Alhamad Payawala, Drashti Kanjaria, मैत्री घोड़ासरा, मानसी थुम्मर, बिनाली गज्जर, बिनाली गज्जर, आर यू प्रेजेंट? Yeah, I think she is not here. Ishita Ruparelia, okay, so 11 people are present today in this group 1. Now over to you, Sana.
Present PPT. So guys, we are going to start the quiz. So please on your camera, all the participants of group 1.
Is it visible?
Yes. All of you please on your camera. Whoever is giving answer will only allowed to give answer when camera is on and your hand is raised. So please be quick in giving answer. So Kajal, can I start?
Yes, Sana.
Okay. So guys, ready? Are you ready, guys? Yes.
Yes.
All the best, guys. So let's go to the question number 1. Samarpan next. So question number 1 is element of the cost accounting includes direct material, direct labor, direct expenses, and all of the above.
Kushi Chota, please answer.
Kushi, you can answer.
D, all of these.
Yo, bingo. Kushi get 1 point. All of you, please lower down your hand. Okay. So now you got how you have to do. Okay. While I am reading question, you can raise hand. But after reading my question, you have to give your answer after when I speak or Kajal speak your name. Okay. Let's go to the question number 2. Consumers who show no brand loyalty towards any brand are called hardcore loyal, split loyal, switchers, and shifting loyal. I think just now we had done this. If anyone has attended the lecture of marketing, we definitely can answer this. So think and give the answer. Anyone?
Mansi
Okay.
Babil.
Maybe it's B, Faith Loyal.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Anyone else wants to try? Second chance. Maitri?
Yeah, it might be C, Switchers.
Yeah, bingo. Maitri got 1 point. So guys, be ready. I am going to read third question. In centroid method, which of the following values is not required? X coordinator, Y coordinator, land of that location, or volume of the goods. So
Kushi
here
Chota.
again the Kushi Sutta.
C, land rate of that location.
Yes, definitely. Bingo. Kushi again got 1 point. Okay. All of you please lower down your hand. Samarpan, next question. Which of the following help in upliftment of economy of a country? WTO, REI, IMF and WB and Moody. See the question carefully and answer. Again the Kushi Sutta.
Again Kushi.
Maybe option C, IMF and World Bank.
Yes, definitely you are correct. Again the Kushi got 1 point. All of you please lower down your hand. Okay. Let's quickly move to question number 5. An employee's salary paid for the skills and knowledge is called competency based pay, time based pay, internship based pay, or training based pay.
Again Kushi.
Wow. Again, Kushi. Kushi, you can say answer.
Maybe A, competency based pay.
Yeah, bingo. Again, you are right. Kushi got 1 more point again. क्या बात है खुशी. तो मतलब लड़की एकदम लगता है 5 सब्जेक्ट ले जाएगी. Guys, please hurry up. Kushi is going so ahead. So let's move to the question number 6. A subgroup of the element of the population selected for the participation in the study is known as element or subset, sample or variable.
Again Kushi.
Again, Khushi. Khushi, you can say.
Sample.
Yeah, you are right. Khushi got 1 point again. I think so. I have to prepare list of the Khushi. I think so. Even I forgot how much points she got. Okay, guys, please be hurry. I'm going to read question number 7. Okay, next question. Stock purchase plus directing wages equal to prime cost, factory cost, total cost, or selling cost. Yo, now Shreya Manial. You can,
Prime cost.
yes, you got 1 point. Shreya Manial got 1 point.
Yes.
Okay, so let's move to the next question, question number 8. 5 C's of the credit does not include character, collaboration, collateral, or capacity.
Again, Shreya.
You, Shreya
Character.
Manial.
Character.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Next one, Drashti.
Drastic.
Collateral.
No, your answer is also wrong. Mansi, you can take one chance.
Capacity.
Oh my God, no, I know. Now I have to speak the answer. Answer is collaboration. Okay, so this question is wrong. So please, all of you, lower down your hand. Drashti, please lower
Yes,
down your
ma'am.
hand. Okay, so I'm going to do the question number 9. Here you can see you have to identify the trains. Okay, 2021 train is 1000, which is given 100 percentage. So you have to analyze the train percentage of the 22, which is given 1200. So show me the percentage of the 2022 train, which can be 100%, 20%, 120%, or 200%. What will be the percentage of the 2022?
Shreya Maniar.
Yes, Shreya.
120.
Yo, bingo. She got the correct answer. The percentage is 120. So guys, please be quick. There are total number of the question is only 15. There is less chances you to go to the final round. There is still remaining some questions. So please try your hard. Okay. Let's go to the question number 10. Artistic work comes under which type of trips? Copyright, patents, trademark, or geographical indication?
Mayur Kumar.
I think pattern B.
Sorry, you have wrong answer.
Okay.
Second, Maitri,
Maitri
you can
Kumar.
give the answer.
Yeah, it might be copyright.
Yes, your answer is correct. Maitri got 1 point. Okay, so please lower down your hand. Mayur. Okay, so let's move to the question number 11. Guys, only 5 question is remaining, which will take you to the final round. It's really easy. Please try your best. Let's move to the question number 11. Segmentation is used to understand consumer and to identify target for new and for existing products. Behavioral, geographic, psychographic, or demographic. Please see question carefully and give answer. Anyone?
Hamad.
Aman, you can speak answer. Aman?
Behavioral A.
No, sorry, you got wrong answer. Mayur, you can try.
Demographic.
Yes, bingo. Now Mayur got 1 point again. Okay. Aman, lower down your hand. Aman? Okay. So, guys, be ready for question number 12. Question number 12 next. Which of the following is or are not included in current liabilities? Short-term loans, preliminary expenses, payment in arrears, or both A and B?
Jingle.
Twinkle, you can speak.
Both A and B. D answer.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Khushi, you can give answer.
Option number C. Payment in arrears.
Sorry, you also got wrong answer. So I need to speak this answer because two option is already taken. Answer is preliminary expenses. Okay, so please lower down your hand. Okay, so let's go to the question number 13. Which of the following products can be categorized under process manufacturing? Automotive, furniture, electronics, or pharmaceutical? In manufacturing process, see the question carefully.
Hamad, give the answer, please.
Furniture B option.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Aarti,
D.
you have to speak answer.
D. Pharmaceutical.
Okay, Aarti got correct answer. Aarti will get 1 point. Ahmad, lower down your hand. Okay, guys, just two question is remaining. Please try your hard. You can go to the final round. First three people will go to the directly to the final round. Okay. Next question. Market access and domestic support are the part of which agreement? Agreement of agriculture, mercantilism, FTA, or TFIPS? See the questions carefully and give answer.
Mansi Bharaiya.
Maybe it's C, FTA, free trade agreement.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Next, Mayur Kumar.
I think agreement of agriculture.
Yes, Mayur got 1 point. Your answer is correct. Your just last question is remaining. Please, friends, focus and give answer. Last question of the group 1, question number 15. Which cost is also known as historical cost? Fixed cost, sunk cost, indirect cost, or none of the above?
Mansi.
Sound cost.
Yo, Mansi got the correct answer of question number 15. You can all lower down your hand. So here we completed the group number 1. All the names of the qualified students will be declared after the completion of all the 3 groups. So please remain here. I will declare the result after the group number 2 or 3. So thank you guys for participation. I'm really happy. Still after the marketing lecture, we are too quick in the given answer. Mansi hai, Khushi hai. Thank you so much for your participation. Let's move to the group number 2. We will meet after the group number 2 and 3. Okay, bye guys. You can turn off your camera. So Samarpan, read the names of the group number 2. And these people, please write quick yes in the chat box. If none of you is absent, so you will be disqualified from the quiz.
Okay, so the
Go ahead,
second
Rishabh.
group is from Defense Management and Public Policy. The first name is Girish Pehelwani. Jay Mistry. Jaideep Vaghasya. Jaideep Vaghasya. Are you present? Okay, so next, Rushid Sawaliya. Meet Vora. Janvi Kale. Janvi Kale, are you present? Okay. Nirali Shah. Nupur Shah. Nupur is also not there. Riyaz Sayyed. May Mohammad Adil. Panchal Nishit. Anjali Kosti. Nilesh Sharma. Kajol Khatnani. Okay, so this many people are present. Others will not be able to take part in this quiz now. Okay, over to you, Sana.
Okay, let's start with the group number 2. Please on your camera. All the participants, please on your camera.
Okay, so just give me a minute. I'm sharing my screen.
Okay. Whoever is absent, please mark them and say them that you are disqualified and you will also not get certificate.
So is my screen visible?
Yes, Samantha.
Okay.
Okay, guys, are you ready? With hand raised and
Yes.
focus on camera. Ready na? बहुत easy आने वाला है. Please focus. See, you will definitely enjoy and learn. Okay. So let's move to the question number 1. In the equation of the regression, y is equal to a plus bx, which one is the slope? So, Girish, you may answer.
B. B is the slope. C.
Okay.
Option C. Answer C.
Yes, you got the correct answer. Girish got 1 point. Okay, now the starting is good. First answer is correct. Guys, be ready. I am going to read the question number 2. So fill in the blanks. Dash is a person who first suggests the idea of buying a product, marketer, producer, buyer, or initiator.
Kajol Khatnani.
Initiator.
Yo, bingo, your answer is correct. Kajol got 1 point. Okay, all of you please lower down your hands. Okay, let's quickly move to the question number 3. Next question. A beta of 1.0 indicates the security of above average risk, below average risk, or no risk.
Nilesh Sharma.
Average is C.
Yo, bingo. Neelish got the right answer and 1.2. Girish, please lower down your hands. Okay. So we are moving to the question number 4. Guys, focus and say. There is dash correlation between the project complexity or the project risk. A, unknown. B, a positive. C, no. D, a negative. Which kind of relationship is between project complexity and project risk?
Kajol Khatnani.
C. No.
Sorry, you got the wrong answer. Next, Neelesh.
Positive B.
Yo, Neelesh got 1 point again. Please lower down your hand. Okay, so let's move to the question number 5. Each and every element of a population is a known chances of being selected in the sample is known as sample design, probability random sampling, probability non-random sampling, or snowball sampling? Again, Girish.
Option C.
You have to speak answer.
Option C. Probability non-random sampling.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Jay, you can try. Jay?
Option A, sampling design.
No, your answer is wrong. Anjali, you can try.
Probability random sampling.
Yes. Anjali got the right answer. Anjali goes 1 point. Okay. So let's move to the question number 6. The act of dividing a market into distinct group of buyers having similar wants is known as targeting, market segmentation, positioning, or market development.
Kajol Khatnani.
Market segmentation.
Yo, bingo. Kajal got again 1 point. All of you, please lower down your hand. Okay. So let's go to the question number 7. Okay. If the instrument is not on demand, the days of the grace are granted are 7 days, 5 days, 3 days, or 4 days.
Again, Kajol.
7 days.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Jay, you can say.
5 days B.
Sorry, your answer is also wrong. So, Girish, you can answer.
3 days. Option C.
Okay, Girish got the correct answer. Option C, 3 days. Okay. So, guys, please lower down your hand. So, we are going to move to the question number 8. When a project manager starts to plan a new project budget, the cost of which project management process group is expected to be the lowest? Executing, monitoring and controlling, planning, or closing?
Kajol.
Monitoring and controlling.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Second, me, Thora.
C, planning.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. So I have to give the answer of this. Answer is closing. So all of you, please lower down your hand. Okay. So I'm going to move to the second question. Question number 9. The scope of industrial relation does not include standing order, strikes, collective bargaining, workers' participation.
Girish Pahlwani.
Standing orders A.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. You can move to the second person, Kajol.
Workers' participation.
Sorry, your answer is also wrong. So I have to give you this answer. Answer is strikes. Okay. So please lower down your hand. Okay. So let's move to the question number 10. In a pledge contract, Bailey is called. See the question. Bailey is called pledger, pioneer, or none of the above?
Kajol again.
Pleasure A.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Second, Girish. Girish, you can speak.
Option number C, Pawnee.
Yes, your answer is correct. Girish got 1 point. So please lower down your hand. Okay, now 5 question is remaining. Please guys, be focus. You can go to the final round still. क्वेश्चन अच्छे से देखना फिर आंसर देना. Please don't give wrong answer. Try to give best. Let's move to the question number 11. In capacity planning, actual output divided by system capacity is known as system efficiency, utilization, productivity, or aggregate planning.
Girish.
Girish, you can speak.
Option number A, system efficiency.
Okay, Girish gone again 1 point. Bingo. He has given again correct answer. 1 point goes to Girish. All of you, please lower down your hand. Okay, so let's move to the question number 12. Dash refers to the set of the norms, beliefs, values that are learned from the society. Subculture, culture, social class, or roles and status.
Nilesh Sharma.
B. Culture.
Yes, your answer is correct. Answer is culture. Nilesh got 1 point. All of you, please lower down your hands. Okay, only 3 questions remaining. Guys, please be focused. You can go in the final round. Let's go to the question number 13. Which of the following is the correct formula of net working capital? Total asset minus total liability, current asset minus current liability, current asset divided by current liabilities, or any of the above?
Girish Pahalwan.
Girish, you can speak.
Option B, current assets minus current liabilities.
Yo, bingo. Again, the Girish got 1 point. Current asset minus current liabilities, correct answer. All of you, please lower down your hand. Okay, only 2 answers left. Guys, be ready. Quickly give your answer. So let's move to the question number 14. While assessing your project process, you have identified some uncontrollable process variation. Which of the following would be the appropriate chart you may use for this purpose? Pareto diagram, PERT chart, control chart, critical path.
Kajol.
Pareto chart.
She has changed, so she won't be allowed. So Riaz Sayed, you are first one.
PERT chart.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Next is Rushit.
A petro diagram.
Sorry, you also got wrong answer. So here I have to say the answer. Answer is control chart. Okay. So please lower down your hand. Riaz, please lower down your hand. Riaz, please lower down your hand.
Riyaz.
हो गया क्या? Hello. Riaz, lower down your hand. I have to read last question. रियाज लगता है लास्ट क्वेश्चन का ब्रेक ले रहा है. Riyaz, are you
Let's
there?
move on. We will not count his hand.
Okay. So last question of the group 2. Are you ready, guys? Just last question hai. Please be ready and quick in giving answer. Holder of an instrument is a person who holds the instrument for a longer period, after a maturity, before a maturity, on behalf of the owner.
Girish Pehlwani.
Option B.
You have to speak the answer.
Option B, after maturity.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Second, Kajol.
On behalf of the owner.
Sorry, your answer is also wrong. So I have to give answer of this question. So the answer is before maturity. So here we finally complete the group number 2. Again, your result will be after the group number 3 final round, for the final round. So please be patient and be here. Thank you so much, guys, for your participation. I really enjoyed. You can turn off your camera. So let's move to the group number 3. Samarpan, please read the names. And all of you guys, please be ready on your camera and write yes in the chat box.
Okay, so third group is of BEPF and event management. First name is Gandhi Dhruvin, Neti Shah, Hetvi Parekh, Sakshi Kharecha, Sakshi Kharecha, are you present? Okay, so Krina Brahmbhatt, Prashant Hirpara, Vanraj Makwana, okay, so he is also not present. Jeni Sausani, okay, Vanraj is here, okay. Jeni Sausani, yes. Kajal Virwani, Vidhi Kadiwar, Divya Vaishnav, and Aarti Mandalia. Okay, Sakshi Kharecha, one last call if you are here. Okay, Vanraj, are you here? Just write yes in the chat box. Okay. Kajal Virwani. Okay, she is not here. Okay, over to you, Sana.
Okay, so all of you, please on your camera. Samarpan, play the PPT. Okay, all of you is on the camera, all of you present. So guys, please be focused. Easy होने वाला है. So please focus on the question and then give your answer. Okay, rules as you all already know. Hand raise option, and please don't speak in between. Speak when I complete my question. Okay, you can hand your raise when you know answer. Okay, let's move to the question number 1. A psychometric response scale in which responders specify their level of the agreement, typically in 5 points, is called ranking method, Likert scale, graphic scale, or internal scale.
Dhruvin Gandhi.
Dhruvin, you can speak.
Yeah, answer is B, Likert scale.
Yo, Rubin got correct answer and he got 1 point. All of you please lower down your hand. So it is a good start, positive response. So let's move to the question number 2. The technique involving the trainee to act on the role of a specific person in real situation. A. Behavior modeling, role playing, in-house development center, or none of the above.
Reena Brahmbhatt.
Role playing.
Yo, bingo. Reena got 1 point. Correct answer is role playing. Okay, all of you please lower down your hands. Okay. So let's move to the question number 3. Theocratic law is equal to religious law, common law, civil law, or none of the above.
Dhruvin Gandhi.
Yeah, option A, religious law.
Yo, bingo. Again, he got the 1 point. Dhruvin got 1 point. Correct answer is religious law. Okay. Guys, be focused. Let's move to the question number 4. Wages, taxes, dividend are the example of which of the following motives? Compensatory motive, speculatory motive, precautionary motive, transaction motive.
Vanraj Makwana.
Vanraj, you can speak.
A compensatory motive.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Next, Krina, I think.
Is it A. Compensatory motive?
No, again your answer is also wrong. So I have to speak this answer. Answer is transaction motive, D. Okay, all of you lower down your hand. Okay. So moving towards question number 5. Which of the following manufacturing strategy would have the least delivery lead time? Engineer to order, make to stock, make to order, or configure to order?
Hetvi Parekh.
Make to order, make to stock, sorry, option B, make to stock.
Okay, so she quickly give answer. So I will consider her answer. So she got 1 point. Lower down your hand, Naiti. Naiti, lower down your hand. Okay, so she has lowered down. So guys, going towards the question number 6. Please be focused and quick. Marginal cost over covers which of the following cost? Fixed cost, variable cost, both fixed and variable cost, or none of the above?
Again Hetvi.
Both fixed and variable cost.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. You can go to the Vanraj.
Variable cost.
Yes, only variable cost is including the marginal cost. Vanraj got 1 point. Okay. So let's move to the question number 7. When one country is selling the goods to the another country at a lower price than the own country selling the price for the same product, then it is known as tariff, anti-dumping, countervailing, and dumping.
Hetvi Parekh.
Dumping. Option D.
Yo, bingo. Again, Hetvi got 1 correct answer. So 1 point again goes to Hetvi. Okay. So guys, moving towards question number 8. Be focused and see the question clearly and then give answer. So going towards the question number 8. In the stage of the product life cycle, the sales increase but at the slow rate. Decline, growth, maturity, or introduction?
Dhruvin Gandhi.
Yeah, option C, maturity.
Yo, bingo, we got the correct answer. 1 point goes to Dhruvin. All of you, please lower down your hand. Okay. So moving towards question number 9. Next. Which risk is controllable and micro in nature? Systematic risk, unsystematic risk, market risk, or none of the above?
Vanraj Makwana.
Manoj, you can speak.
Systematic risk.
Sorry?
A. Systematic risk.
I'm not getting your voice.
A. Systematic
No,
risk.
it is wrong.
Okay. So let's move to the second person. Hetvi.
Is it C, market risk?
Sorry, your answer is also incorrect. Correct. So correct answer is unsystematic risk. B. All of you, please lower down your hand. Okay, guys, moving towards question number 10. Try your best. Okay. See the question carefully and give answer. Let's move towards question number 10. Furniture and heavy machines are the example of which costing? Job costing, batch costing, specialized costing, or work costing?
Vanraj Makwana. Vanraj, please give the answer.
Vanraj, you can give answer.
C. Specialized costing.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Reena, your turn.
Job costing.
Yo, bingo, she got 1 point again. The correct answer is job costing. Divya, lower down your hand. Okay. So guys, 5 question remaining. Next slide, Samarpan. Please be quick. You can go in the final round. Many of you has given correct answer. So please try your best. These 5 question can bring you till the final round. So let's play question number 11. Independent variable is also known as response, predictor, creation, convenience, consequence.
Dhruvin Gandhi.
Yeah, option B, predictor.
Yo, bingo, he got 1 point again. Correct answer is predictor. Wow, quiz is going so good. So let's go to the question number 12. Time required for receiving check from the customer through post. Call, postal float, deposit float, utilizing float, or bank float.
Reena Brahmbhatt.
Postal float.
Yo, your answer is correct. Again, the Krina got 1 point again. Bingo. Okay, all of you guys lower down your hand. So 3 question remaining, guys. Question number 13 I am going to read. Please focus. These 3 questions can also brings you to the final round. Please focus. Let's go to the question number 13. Time taken from placing order to receiving order is known as alarming time, adjusting time, lead time, or wait time.
Hetvi Parekh.
Option C, lead time.
Yo, she got the correct answer. Correct answer is lead time. Okay, all of you please lower down your hand. Okay. So last 2 questions. Guys, focus and give your answer. Let's play question number 14. So CARICOM is an example of which of the following regional economic integration? FTA, common market, custom union, or economic union?
Dhruvin Gandhi.
Yeah, option C.
I don't get his voice. Please say again.
Option C, custom union.
No, sorry, your answer is wrong. Hetvi.
Option B, common market.
Yo, Hetvi got correct answer, common market. Hetvi got 1 point again. Vidhi, please lower down your hand. Okay. So let's move to the question number 15, last question of the day. Please see the question and then give your answer. Question number 15. You have to find a contribution in which selling price is 5,000 and variable cost is 3,000 and fixed cost is 2,000. You have to find only contribution.
Krina Brahmbhatt.
Is it 2000?
Yes, your answer is correct. Last answer point taken by Krina. So bingo, she got 1 point again. So here we completed our group number 1, 2, 3 round. So all of you, thank you so much for giving correct answer. This group is really nice. Huh? I got so many answers from so many persons. Rocking, BPF and all. Rocking. So let's go to the final result of group number 1, 2 and 3. All of you please on your camera so that we can capture the moment. Samarpan, you can close the PPT. We can capture the moment. Group number 1, 2 and 3, all the participants have to on the camera. We are going to announce the result of the both group number 1, 2 and 3. From each group we are selected 3%. So we are going to announce the result. Wait a minute. Oops, in group number 1, we got tie between 3%. So again, we will play one round for this person and I will declare the result of the group number 2 and 3. I think only group number 1 got tie break result. So I am announcing Kushi got first in group number 1 and the tie will be done in between 3%, Maitri, Shreya and Mayur. These 3%, I will ask you one question, okay? Then you have to answer. Whoever will be quick in giving answer, so that person will be go in the last round, okay? Are you getting Maitri, Shreya and Mayur? Are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So in this 3% there is a tie. So I will play a question for them. Remaining for them, I am declaring the result. Samarpan, you can declare the result group number 2 and 3.
Okay. So in the group number 2, first is Girish, and second is Nilesh, and third is Kajol. So these 3 are going to the final round. In group number 3, it's Dhruvin, Hetvi, and Krina. So congratulations, guys! You are in the final round. Now we will do the tiebreaker round between Maitri, Shreya, and Mayur. All are present here. Maitri.
Maitri, Shreya. I think so. Mayur is not there. Okay, so we can do a tie round between Shreya and Maitri.
So I think there is no need of tie round if
Okay.
2 are there. So we will take Maitri and Shreya in the final round if Mayur is not present.
Yeah, we can do this. So Shreya and Maitri, are you happy? Directly going to the final round?
Yes.
क्या बात है? Directly final round में? Okay, so please give your best, okay? My hope is high from all of you. Okay, group number 1, 2 and 3. You know, scholar आगे जा रहे हैं अब तो एकदम final round में. All the 9 people. Now let's have a quick yes in the chat box of the final round people participate.
Yes, the first is Khushi. Okay. Maitri. Okay. Shreya.
Okay,
Girish. Nilesh. Kajol. Dhruvin. Dhruvin Gandhi. Okay. Hetvi Parekh and Krina. Okay, so all are present.
All have to camera on. Okay. Okay. So are you all guys ready for the final round? So all the best, guys. Give your best. Let's see the real ranker of the BK. I can give the real ranker tag to that person. Okay. Real scholar of the BK. So I would like to say, like, you can use your pen, paper, or maybe little bit calculation may be there. So I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. You can arrange it. Otherwise, if you will focus on the question, now you can give the answer orally. But for the your calculation, you can use. But see the question carefully. You can give answer orally also. So please bring your pen and paper if possible. You can use. Okay. Please on your camera.
Okay, so in this final round, there are 3 sections. First section will be of MCQ. The second will be of fill in the blanks, in which there will be no options. And the third section is of short sums and numericals. So be ready, guys. Over to you, Sena.
Okay, so you had listen now. There will be three section. Okay, पहला होगा MCQ, fill-ups, and third will be little bit calculation. Okay, you can see an answer like daily हम POM में जो देते हैं ना questions MCQ के, बस उसी type के लिए है, कुछ भी hard नहीं है. So please be quick in the answer. You can be the pre-battle exam winner. Okay, I really expect more from you guys. So please see the question carefully and then give answer. Okay, whoever give the answer correct will got the first point, and as usual hand raise option is considered only. So let's start our pre-battle exam battle final round. Are you guys ready? Quick. Okay.
Yes.
चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट्स प्ले क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. लेट्स स्टार्ट द फाइनल बैटल. फोन में एकदम घुस जाओ, एकदम फोकस कर लो कि आंसर हमें ही देना है. ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस. लेट्स प्ले क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 of section 1. The kind of the bargaining in which the workers and management representative negotiate working hours, wages, employment condition is classified as union bargaining, distributing bargaining, descriptive bargaining, or collective bargaining.
खुशी झोटा.
Khushi, you can give answer.
Collective bargaining.
Yo, this girl got first correct answer in the final round. Guys, competition है बाकी यहाँ. Please target her. She got 1 point. Khushi got 1 point again. Let's move to the question number 2. Indicate which level of measurement is being used in the given scenario. A car magazine lists the most expensive car of 2020. Which option you will use? Interval scale, nominal scale, ratio scale, or ordinal scale?
Krina Brahmbhatt.
Ordinal D.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Let's move to the second person, Girish.
D, nominal scale.
Sorry, your answer is also wrong. So here I have to speak the answer. Answer is ratio scale. Okay, so let's move to the question number 3. Bellboy service or a room service in a hotel is considered in which product level? Expected, augmented, generic, or potential?
Dhruvin Gandhi.
Yeah, option A, expected.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Preena?
Krina, you can answer.
Generic?
Sorry, this answer is also wrong. So I have to give answer. Answer is augmented. Okay, so all of you can lower down your hand. Rina, you can lower down your hand. Okay, moving towards question number 4. Guys, please be focused, then give answer. Wrong answer से नहीं चलेगा, but answer दोगे तो 1 point मिलेगा. So please be focused and then give answer. Let's move towards question number 4. In book value approach, which cost is to be deducted? Floating cost, issue cost, both A and B, or none of the above?
Girish Pahlwani.
The issue cost.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. We can move towards Kajol.
Flotation cost.
No, sorry, your both answer is also wrong because the correct answer is both A and B. You can lower down your hand. दोनों ने एक एक आंसर बोल दिया, but both A and B नहीं देखा. Okay, so
दोनों को
let's
एक एक
move.
पॉइंट दे दो.
तो आप दे दो क्या मार्क्स?
Yes, मिलना चाहिए.
वो पिछले ग्रुप वाले पकड़ के मारेंगे ना मुझे. आप अब क्यों दिया? चलो, let's go to the question number 5. The process of familiarizing the new employees to the organization rules and regulations. Indication, induction, placement, selection, or recruitment.
Khushi.
Khushi, you can answer.
Option A, induction.
Yo, bingo! This girl got one answer correct again. 1 point goes to Khushi. Guys, competition है. You can beat her. सेक्शन 2 आ चुका है जिसमें फिलअप्स है, जिसमें आंसर आपको नहीं दिखेंगे. यू हैव टू फिल द ब्लैंक्स. ओके, देयर विल बी नो ऑप्शन, देयर चांसेस विल बी गिवन. इजी है, एमसीक्यू है, इतना हार्ड नहीं होगा. यू कैन गेस इजीली. सो लेट्स गो टू द सेक्शन नंबर 2. A type of product brand which come in the middle of the mass product goods and prestige goods are known as dash products.
Khushi.
Khushi, you can speak answer.
Masstige products.
Yo, this girl has speak all answer. Correct answer. 1 point goes to Khushi Jota. Masstige product is the correct answer in the fill-ups. Next one is also fill in the blanks. Please see the question and quickly give answer. Let's move towards question number 7. In hypothesis testing, dash is generally referred by as 0. So easy, yaar.
Hetvi Parekh.
Null hypothesis.
Yo, bingo, this girl got 1 point. E3 got 1 point and correct answer also. You can lower down your hand. Okay. So guys, again fill-ups आ रही है. Question number 8. Easy है, पर सोच के बोलना. ठीक है? Let's move toward question number 8. In HRM, Human Resource Management, a factual statement of tasks and duties involved in a job is called.
Girish Pahlwani.
Job description.
Yo, this boy got 1 point. Correct answer. Job description is the answer. You can lower down your hand, Girish. Okay. So again, fill-up is going to come. So please see the question carefully and then give answer. Let's move toward question number 9. Dash is a pricing strategy where the price of a product or services is calculated by adding together the cost of the product and the percentage of it as a profit. Which type of pricing strategy? think it is a pricing strategy. It is from types of pricing strategy. Dhruvin, you can answer.
Cost plus pricing.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. Anyone
Actually,
else
it's the
wants to?
correct answer. Markup cost and cost plus profit is another name of it. So we can consider that as
Okay.
correct answer.
Okay, sorry, I don't know. Sorry, हाँ ध्रुविन, यार तू तो स्कॉलर निकला यार. दूसरे नेम बोल रहा है यहाँ पे, मेरे ऑप्शन में नहीं लिखे हुए यार. क्या बात है. ठीक है, so 1 point goes to him. Okay, किसी ने hand raise किया? Okay, lower down. Okay, so moving towards question number 10. Easy है guys, please see and focus and then give answer. Question number 10. Dash is a type of the data collected for research by any part other than the researcher.
Hetvi Parekh.
Secondary data.
Yo, bingo. If we got 1 point again. Secondary data is the correct answer. Bingo, Hetvi. Competition हो रहा है हूँ guys. 5 क्वेश्चन बचे हैं. 5 points ला सकते हो guys. Hetvi है, खुशी है, ध्रुविन है, गिरीश है. कंपटीशन हो रहा है. हाँ, और ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ना, यूँ समझ लो पीओएम का दे रहे हैं हम. मॉर्निंग में उठ के जो देते हैं ना मिनी कैलकुलेशन. सो क्वेश्चन अगर ध्यान से देखोगे ना, क्विकली ओरली भी आंसर बोल सकते हो, बट यू हैव टू सी द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. 5 क्वेश्चन है, मिनी कैलकुलेशन है, बट यू कैन डेफिनेटली गिव आंसर ओरली ऑल्सो. ओके, आर यू गाइज रेडी? जस्ट 5 क्वेश्चन रिमेनिंग. रेडी फॉर द फाइनल राउंड, फाइनल विनर ऑफ द बीके. क्या पता कौन स्कॉलर होगा, मुझे नोट्स भी लेनी पड़ेगी उसके पास से. ध्रुविन तो बनाएगा ही, ध्रुविन पास से तो मैं ले लूंगी. देखो अनम्यूट करके मना कर रहा है मुझे. So guys, going to play question number 11. Samarpan, next question. If 300 units are produced from a machine, total productivity hours is 150. Calculate your productivity. You have to give productivity.
Girish Pahalwani. Girish.
Answer is 20.
Yes, answer is correct. Answer is 20. Productivity is 20. Girish got 1 point. Guys, पता चल गया होगा ना मिनी कैलकुलेशन कैसा है. So please be quick. You can give answer. Easy है. बाकी के 3 भी बहुत easy है. So let's move toward question number 12. How long it take to double 10,000 at a compound rate of 10% per annum? Double. You have to show double 10,000. Year in years. Approximately years is also accepted. Girish? If you will not speak, I will.
तो मैं कैलकुलेशन कर रहा हूँ.
तो नहीं चलेगा. Krina, you can say. Whoever speak the answer first will got the 1 point first.
10.
No, sorry, your answer is wrong. See the question. ये वो वाला है, double
1.2 years.
वाला. No. In how many years you can double 10,000? See the question carefully. And you have to say approximately year भी चलेगा और direct year भी चलेगा.
Kajol, please give the answer.
Approx 5.
No, sorry, your answer is wrong. Guys, try. Quickly, you have some second more. Then this question answer is declared by me only. Find years.
1.2 years.
No, dear. In 1.2 year, how you can make the amount double?
Can I answer again?
Okay, but answer should be correct.
I'm just trying. 20?
No. 20 years is not right.
Can I?
Right. Yes. Hetvi.
Between 7 to 8 years.
Yes, this girl get correct answer. 7.2 is correct answer, but 7 to 8 is correct. So Hetvi got 1 point. Hetvi तुक्का मारा क्या?
नहीं कैलकुलेट किया ना, देखो
नहीं, मुझे
देखो कैलकुलेटर, ये
अरे
देखो।
थोड़ी देर और लगाती ना तो कुछ लोग बोलते 5, 10, 20, 25 ऐसे बोलने लगते लोग। कोई बात नहीं, चलो करेक्ट आंसर इज गेट फ्रॉम Hetvi.
हितवी मैथड
7
भेज
years.
देना।
पक्का।
ठीक है ठीक है, चलो 3 क्वेश्चन बचे गाइस, इजी है, यू कैन कैलकुलेट. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. What will be the forecast of the 4th month if the simple moving average method is used? Okay, and in bracket there is month is given, moving average month is 3 months. Khushi, you can answer.
15.
No, try. You have to take moving average set for 3 months and directly you have to count for the 4th month.
Can I try once again?
But Sina is Shreya is second. I have to give her a chance.
12.
Shreya.
12.
Yes, answer is correct. 12 is the answer. Shreya Maniar got 1 point. खुशी आ गया था क्या 12?
हाँ, फिर बाद में आया, मैंने देखा नहीं कि मूविंग एवरेज 3 महीने का है।
उसने 4 मंथ का ले लिया उसने,
हाँ,
इसलिए
ब्रैकेट में देखना, आगे भी ब्रैकेट में देखना, मूविंग एवरेज फॉर 3 मंथ्स है. ओके, चलो 2 आंसर बचे. स्कॉलर कौन बनता है वीके का? लेट्स सी. प्री एग्जाम बैटल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. You have to calculate economic order quantity in which annual requirement is given 2000, cost of material is 20, cost of placing an order is 40, and see the percentage. You have to find 20% of the cost of material for carrying cost. Write the formula, put the things, and give the answer. Okay, someone has raised hand. Khushi, if you have answer, you can say.
200.
Hello.
Maybe 200.
ऐसा मतलब सोच के बोल रही है या आंसर आ गया? Khushi, what is your final answer? Okay, 200. Bingo. But your answer is correct. I can see in chat box. Your answer is correct. Answer is EOQ का आंसर है 200 units. Last question है guys. Easy है. Pen and paper ready रखना. You will definitely got your answer. Okay. It's maybe little bit calculation रहेगा जो हमने last week में ही किया है. Okay. I am going to play the question number 15. जिसने आंसर पहले लिखा 420 तो उसको आंसर मिलेगा. Okay. So let's move towards question number 15. You have to calculate the transportation problem in which box is given, but you have to use northwest corner method. I will consider the answer of the northwest corner method. Other method may have the a little bit different answer, but use the northwest corner method. Solve this and give me the final answer. Table दिख रहा है ना guys?
Kanna?
Hmm?
Yeah, this is Maitri. Can we leave? Our lecture has been started.
You can, but you can.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Girish has raised his hand. Please give the answer.
गिरीश, अभी बाकी है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाकी रह गया है, खाली बॉक्स बनाया है अभी. फाइनल आंसर चाहिए मेरे को, जो अपना फाइनल वाला बोलते थे ना मैम को, वो वाला चाहिए.
2.
हाँ, यर्स फाइन कर रहा है क्या?
It's 420.
Yeah, who speak this?
Kajol.
Yeah, it's right.
Okay, Kajal, Bingo, she got the correct answer. Correct answer is 420. Kajal got 1 point of the last question, number 15. Okay, thank you all, audience. So, Samarpan, you can close your PPT. So here we can going to announce the scholar of the BK. Guess guys, किसका होगा? एकदम highest marks किसके आएंगे?
खुशी।
Any guess?
खुशी।
अरे कितनी खुशी हो रही है मुझे। Guess. Any second rank, second, third rank? Any guess?
ध्रुविन और हेतवी?
हेतवी और ध्रुविन या गिरीश में से।
ध्रुविन।
फर्स्ट तो चलो खुशी लग रहा है, और सेकंड थर्ड क्या लग रहा है?
ध्रुविन
रहेगा
हेतवी।
सेकंड।
हेतवी और गिरीश।
देखो ध्रुविन खुद बोल रहा है
सेकंड
हेतवी और
हेतवी,
गिरीश।
थर्ड ध्रुविन। सेकंड
तुम
हेतवी,
लोग
थर्ड ध्रुविन।
लास्ट से नहीं पूछ रहे।
नहीं, चलो एक अच्छा सा गेस करो सेकंड और थर्ड के लिए।
सेकंड हेतवी, थर्ड ध्रुविन।
देखो गिरीश खुद
क्रीना भी
बोल
हो
रहा है यार,
सकती है, थर्ड क्रीना भी हो सकती है।
बहुत सारे लोगों को मार्क्स मिले हैं।
अरे ऑल आर विनर्स, सिंपल।
नहीं, स्कॉलर तो भाई एक ही होगा भाई। तेरे को नोट चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए बता।
खुशी हो गई ना, एक स्कॉलर हो गई
एक
खुशी।
तो हो गई ना।
हाँ खुशी, देखना इतने मैसेजेस आने वाले ना, बताना क्या क्या
फिर भी
किया।
नोट सारे
नोट्स के लिए आएंगे, नोट्स के लिए।
नोट्स के लिए आएंगे, मैं वही बोल रही हूँ, नोट्स के लिए आएंगे, देखना।
मैंने खुद नोट्स नहीं बनाई।
उसको बनाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, देखा। खुशी को बनाने की, नोट्स बनाने की भी जरूरत नहीं
सही
है।
बात है। जो रियल बैटल थी वो ये थी, क्योंकि एग्जाम में तो वी ऑलरेडी नो कि हम क्या क्या करते हैं, बट रियल बैटल ये थी, किसी को क्वेश्चन पता नहीं थे, कैमरा ऑन था, 10-10 सेकंड में सबने आंसर दिया। आई रियली अप्रिशिएट यू गाइस, यू आर द रियल रैंकर ऑफ द बीके, ऑल ऑफ यू। फाइनल राउंड वाले सभी बहुत होशियार है, मैं तो नोट डाउन करके लिखने वाली हूँ कौन 9 लोग थे फाइनल राउंड में। ओके, तो समर्पण,
yeah,
declare the
results are
result.
here, and on the third position it's Girish Pahalwani. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Third is Girish.
And on the second position it's Hetvi Parekh.
Yo.
Congratulations Hetvi.
Thank you so much.
And the winner of this battle is Khushi Zota. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yo, congratulations guys, thank you so much.
पार्टी और नोट दोनों तैयार।